Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Hi friends, good morning, and my name is Ashwini Kumar. Welcome to my channel. So here it is the official website of the National Testing Agency. So here it is one really breaking news that we got, the flash news that we got yesterday regarding the UGC NET exam. So before going into the details, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get all the notifications regarding the PhD and the assistant professor. Okay, so all these notifications you will get. And coming to the long awaited examination date of the UGC NET June 2020, so finally announced by the National Testing Agency. So all of you may know that official website of this one, that is nta.ac.in, and here in the latest NTA you can check down that the dates of various examinations to be conducted by the National Testing Agency. So click on this read more. Then you will be directed to this one, where it is clearly representing that date of various examinations to be conducted by the NTA. And keeping in view the academic interest of large number of students, the MHA has agreed to the proposal of MHRD for conducting various entrance examinations in the month of September 2020. Accordingly, in modification of dates announced earlier, in consultation with respect to admitting or user organizations, the National Testing Agency has decided to conduct the following examinations as per the details given below against each exam. So in this one, our UGC NET National Eligibility Test June 2020 is there, and here the examination dates are 16 to 18 September 2020 and 21st to 25 September 2020. Okay, so these are the dates. And if you're having any queries regarding this one, here the official mail ID is also given here, and the contact numbers are also given here. The downloading of the admit cards indicating the roll number, center, date, shift, and timing of examination will commence about 15 days before the date of examination on the respective official websites of these examinations. So 15 days before means actually here the candidates who will be having the exam on 16 to 18, they may get the admit cards on September 1st. That means within the 10 to 11 days they will get. And for these candidates, okay, just before the 15 days they will get the admit cards. Okay, so get ready guys. Finally the NTA decided the written examination dates, so fast up your preparation and boost up. Okay, so it is update, and for more updates please subscribe the channel, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are waiting for the UGC NET June 2020 exam. And it is a perfect information. Why? Because so many candidates are in doubt that whether it is a fake news or the real news. Why? Because I got this notice. Okay, you will get this notice in the official website of the National Testing Agency. So in the official website means we have to believe that it is the correct information. So please fast up your preparation, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye.